people. I need to say this, people, that like I said, I'm a real follower of this Japanese healer called Master Ryoho Okawa, and he is in the Guinness Book of World Records for having the maximum number of bestsellers, New York Times bestsellers, and the maximum number of books published by any living author, I think, and that is over 2,500 books. And so it's been said that Master Ryoho Okawa is an incarnate of Lord Buddha, and when you read his works you realize that this level of knowledge, this amount of knowledge, nobody, like, you can't amass it in 1 year, in one lifetime, so that's what people, the reason I'm saying this is, there is this book called Interviews with Space People. The title itself is very there is this whole theory, not theory. It's been said that certain places in the states, uh, UFOs have been actually sighted, and there are people who say that they've had experiences with UFOs, uh, like people from the extraterrestrial space and all, because Master Ryoho Okawa says that they exist for real. I mean, why do we believe that one, like Earth, in the entire galaxy, in the entire Milky Way, we are the one most special planet, or it's. In fact, my grandfather also would say the same thing. That how is it? Why would only Earth have support life? So apparently there is life in different forms on other planets, and this particular book, Interviews with Space People, is about these certain beings who, they are so advanced in their technology that they have begun to come onto this planet and be born on Earth. you know it's when you read this book you get goosebumps, like हिंदी में कहते हैं रोंगटे खड़े हो जाते हैं, so just try and read this, people, Interviews with Space People, and with space people. Yeah, so amazing book. I mean, because if I were to speak about it more, it would just sound like science fiction, but I know, and the world also will soon get to know that what Master Ryoho Okawa, this Japanese healer and the founder of the Happy Science, is saying is true. So Interviews with Space People, and I won't rate it and all, because ऐसी gustaki or whatever I'll not do as such a, because these are books by thought leaders, so anyway, on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.